2025 is here, and with it comes a wave of incredible gadgets that blur the line between science fiction and reality. From rugged phones with giant batteries to AI-powered glasses and even portable workshops that fit on your desk, these aren't just futuristic concepts. They're real products designed to make life smarter, faster, and more fun. Today, we're counting down some of the coolest inventions of 2025 that you'll definitely want to buy.
One, Afreda S8. Confident urban cruising like never before. The Afreda S8 isn't your ordinary e-bike. It's a true city cruiser built for comfort, convenience, and style. Designed with a lightweight magnesium alloy frame, it uses a unique tilting suspension system that makes cornering smoother and more stable, giving you motorcycle-level confidence while staying compact and agile. Powered by a 750-watt motor, it can hit speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, and the removable lithium battery delivers a riding range of up to 60 miles. Perfect for commuters, weekend explorers, or anyone tired of traffic jams, the Afreda S8 makes urban mobility effortless. And when the ride's over, it folds down in less than 10 seconds, making it easy to carry on to a train or tuck into an apartment. Sleek, foldable, and powerful. This is the future of city commuting. 2. RX3 Bone Conduction Headphones. Imagine listening to your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks without blocking your ears. That's exactly what the RX3 Bone Conduction Headphones deliver. Instead of sitting inside your ear canal, they rest comfortably on your cheekbones, sending vibrations directly to your inner ear. This means you can enjoy high-quality audio while staying fully aware of your surroundings, perfect for runners, cyclists, and anyone who values safety. With an IP67 waterproof rating, they're ready for rain, sweat, or even outdoor adventures. The ultralight design makes them easy to wear for hours, and an 8-hour battery ensures they'll keep up with your longest workouts. Whether you're training for a marathon, biking through busy streets, or just walking the dog, these headphones redefine what open-ear listening feels like. It's comfort, awareness, and quality sound, all rolled into one sleek device. 3. DECOKEE Magnetic SSD Enclosure Hub. If you've ever wished your portable SSD could do more, the DECOKEE Magnetic SSD Enclosure Hub is the desk upgrade you need. At its core, it's a high-speed NVMe SSD enclosure, allowing you to carry massive amounts of data in your pocket while enjoying lightning-fast transfer speeds. But DECOKEE takes it further by integrating a USB-C hub complete with HDMI output, multiple USB ports, and power delivery charging. That means you can expand your laptop or desktop setup instantly, all from one compact device. The magnetic design makes swapping drives seamless, while the aluminum shell ensures heat dissipation during heavy workloads. Perfect for video editors, photographers, and digital nomads, this gadget combines portability with serious productivity power. Instead of juggling multiple dongles and drives, you get a sleek all-in-one solution that looks just as good as it performs.
4. Dymesty AI Glasses, Next-Gen Titanium Tech. Smart glasses have been promised for years, but Dymesty is bringing them to life with a stylish titanium design that doesn't scream tech gadget. These AI-powered glasses act as your personal assistant, offering real-time translation, instant navigation, and hands-free notifications right in your field of vision. Dual microphones pick up your voice commands clearly, while bone conduction speakers let you take calls or get AI responses without needing earbuds. The titanium frame keeps them lightweight yet durable, meaning you can wear them all day without discomfort. Whether you're traveling abroad, navigating a new city, or simply trying to stay productive, the Dymesty AI glasses make everyday tasks smarter and easier. It's like having the power of your smartphone without ever pulling it out of your pocket. Futuristic yet fashionable, these glasses show exactly where wearable tech is headed. 5. VersaCarve, the micro workshop. Meet VersaCarve, the pocket-sized workshop that turns any desk into a makerspace. This compact machine combines the functions of a CNC cutter, laser engraver, and micro drill, giving you the ability to carve, etch, and create with precision. Despite its small size, VersaCarve handles materials like wood, acrylic, leather, and even some metals, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you're crafting jewelry, personalizing gifts, or prototyping ideas, this gadget delivers professional results without requiring a full-sized workshop. Its plug-and-play design makes it beginner-friendly, while advanced users will appreciate the precision and customization. For creators living in apartments, students experimenting with projects, or professionals needing a portable solution, VersaCarve is a game changer. It proves that powerful tools don't need to take up half your garage. They can fit neatly on your desk, ready whenever inspiration strikes. 6. Snowcap, the ultimate lid for water cooling and cold plunge. Recovery routines just got smarter with Snowcap, the ultimate lid designed for water cooling systems and cold plunge tubs. Built with high-grade insulation and antimicrobial materials, it keeps your plunge water icy cold, hygienic, and ready to use whenever you are. Instead of constantly adding ice or draining water, Snowcap maintains the perfect low temperature while saving energy costs by up to 40%. Its airtight seal also prevents debris, bacteria, and evaporation, giving you cleaner and safer recovery sessions. Perfect for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone exploring cold therapy, this lid ensures your plunge pool works efficiently year-round. Cold plunging is already one of the most powerful wellness trends of 2025, and Snowcap makes it practical for daily use. Simple, durable, and effective, it's the small upgrade that makes a big difference in your performance and recovery.
7. Oukitel WP100 Titan rugged phone that lasts forever. If you've ever run out of battery at the worst time, the Oukitel WP100 Titan is here to end your worries for good. With a jaw-dropping 33,000 mAh battery, this rugged smartphone offers weeks of power on a single charge. But endurance isn't its only trick. The WP100 Titan is IP68 and IP69K rated, meaning it's waterproof, dustproof, and built to withstand extreme drops and temperatures. As if that wasn't enough, it even comes with a built-in projector capable of turning any wall into a massive 200-inch screen, perfect for outdoor movie nights, presentations, or entertainment on the go. Whether you're an adventurer, a field worker, or simply someone who hates charging their phone every night, this device is built to last. The Oukitel WP100 Titan is more than a smartphone. It's a survival tool designed to handle whatever life throws at it. 8. Shotlyt, compact golf launch monitor. Golf just got a whole lot smarter with Shotlyt, a portable launch monitor designed to give you pro-level feedback on your swing. Using advanced Doppler radar and precision sensors, it tracks swing speed, ball distance, spin rate, and trajectory in real time. All the data syncs directly to your smartphone, where you can analyze your performance and get personalized tips to improve your game. Compact enough to slip into your golf bag, Shotlyt lets you train at the driving range, in your backyard, or even indoors with a net. Unlike bulky training systems, it's lightweight, affordable, and easy to use, making it perfect for both weekend golfers and serious players. With Shotlyt, you're not just practicing, you're practicing smarter, using accurate data to lower your scores. For anyone serious about improving their golf game, this gadget is like having a coach that fits in your pocket. 9. HydroPeak, rugged 4K action camera. If adventure is your middle name, the HydroPeak is the action camera you've been waiting for. Unlike traditional action cams that need bulky waterproof housings, HydroPeak is built tough right out of the box. It's waterproof up to 30 meters, shockproof, and wrapped in Gorilla Glass for maximum durability. The camera records stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second with built-in electronic image stabilization, meaning your footage stays smooth even when you're snowboarding down a mountain or crashing through waves. With its wide-angle lens and intelligent color processing, it captures the energy of your adventures in cinematic detail. The rugged, shell-free design makes it lighter and more convenient, so you'll never miss a shot while fiddling with cases. Whether it's extreme sports, outdoor trips, or vlogging your journey, HydroPeak is the ultimate filming companion built to handle whatever nature throws it your way. 10. Hyper Hitter, Smart Boxing Trainer. Boxing has always been about discipline, precision, and speed, and Hyper Hitter brings those elements into the digital age. This smart boxing trainer uses advanced motion sensors to track every punch you throw, analyzing speed, accuracy, and combinations in real time. Connected to a companion app, it turns your workouts into interactive training sessions, complete with drills, challenges, and progress tracking. Hyper Hitter can mount easily on a wall or stand, making it suitable for both gyms and home setups. It's perfect for beginners learning form, as well as athletes looking to sharpen their technique. Instead of just throwing punches at a bag, you're training smarter with data that helps you improve faster. With gamified workouts and performance analytics, Hyper Hitter makes boxing not only more effective, but also more engaging. Think of it as your personal boxing coach, one that never gets tired.
Number 11. ROSESELSA Sports Earphones. Music is a powerful motivator, and the new ROSESELSA Sports Earphones are designed to keep athletes moving without compromise. Built with a lightweight, ergonomic design, they feature flexible ear hooks and soft materials that stay comfortable even during long workouts. With IPX6 water and sweat resistance, these earphones are ready for any training session, from gym routines to marathon runs. They deliver crisp highs, deep bass, and balanced sound quality powered by the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology for stable connections. A 12-hour battery life ensures they'll outlast even the most grueling sessions, and the quick charge feature gives you an extra 2 hours of playback in just 10 minutes. Whether you're lifting weights, cycling, or running outdoors, ROSESELSA earphones are built to stay put and keep the music flowing. They're not just earphones, they're the soundtrack to your fitness journey. Number 12. WK1, First Magnetic Dual Beam Flashlight with Rotatable Head. Sometimes the simplest tools make the biggest difference, and the WK1 flashlight is proof. It's the world's first magnetic dual-beam flashlight with a fully rotatable head, giving you unmatched flexibility for any task. The dual-beam design lets you switch between a focused spotlight for long-distance viewing and a wide floodlight for close-up work. With a powerful output of up to 2,000 lumens, it lights up even the darkest environments. The built-in magnetic base lets you stick it onto metal surfaces, leaving your hands free for repairs, camping setups, or emergencies. USB-C fast charging keeps it ready to go, and its rugged construction ensures it can handle drops, rain, and rough conditions. Whether you're an outdoor adventurer, DIY enthusiast, or someone who just wants a reliable light at home, the WK1 delivers versatility and power in a compact, pocket-friendly design. Number 13. HAVIT Fuxi H8, world's first open-back gaming headset. Gamers, this one's a real game changer. The HAVIT Fuxi H8 is the world's first open-back gaming headset, bringing audiophile quality sound into the gaming world. Unlike traditional closed-back headsets that can feel stuffy, the open-back design allows air and sound to flow naturally, creating a wider soundstage. That means you'll hear footsteps, ambient noises, and in-game details with incredible accuracy, giving you a competitive edge. Powered by 50mm drivers, it delivers crisp highs, deep bass, and balanced mids that make games, movies, and music all come alive. The breathable ear cushions reduce heat buildup during long sessions, and its lightweight frame makes marathon gaming far more comfortable.
With low-latency wireless connectivity, it's designed for responsiveness as well as immersion. Whether you're into FPS shooters, RPGs, or streaming, the Fuxi H8 gives you a fresh audio experience that feels both natural and powerful. And finally, number 14. Omaxs Pocard, world's first 3-in-1 metal EDC wallet. Minimalism meets innovation in the Omaxs Pocard, the world's first 3-in-1 everyday carry wallet. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum, it's slim, durable, and stylish. But it's more than just a wallet, it's a multifunctional tool. Alongside securely holding your cards and cash, it integrates handy features like a bottle opener, a SIM card slot, and even a built-in phone stand. It also comes with RFID blocking technology to keep your personal data safe from digital theft. Compact enough to slip into any pocket, yet tough enough to withstand daily wear and tear, the Omaxs Pocard redefines what an EDC wallet can be. For travelers, outdoor adventurers, or anyone who appreciates clever design, this gadget is the perfect blend of practicality and durability. It's not just something you carry, it's something you rely on. And there you have it. 14 of the coolest new gadgets and inventions of 2025. From AI-powered glasses to rugged smartphones and even a pocket-sized workshop, these products prove the future is already here. Which one would you add to your setup? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your pick. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more amazing tech, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.